What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Pacetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out that Imagine Reef referral link if you're trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain. In addition to my Theta Guardian node, if you want to stake your Theta tokens, as well as my Elite Edge node, if you're trying to stake your TFUEL. I'll put the QR codes here, but then I'll put the actual summary code down below if you want to use the copy and paste method or the QR code, whichever is easier for you. Either way, you're going to help out my channel, help out the Theta community, as well as helping yourself out by earning TFUEL passively and using those for either, like, you're going to use it for Theta drop, you're going to use it for open Theta, or any other transactions you like to use between blockchains, between the partnerships Theta has already made. But now going on to the Explorer page, we'll start off with the price, move on to the news. The current price of Theta is at the $1.11 mark, as well as TFUEL at that 4-cent mark and T-drop at that 0.0025 mark. So of course we'll see where the price will go. I've mentioned before many times on my channel, I really don't do price predictions, so we'll see how this will end by the Q1 of 2024. If you'd like to put some price predictions for the end of Q1 of 2024, more than welcome to. I'll try to reply to it. Like I said, I really don't do it myself, but we'll see how this overall project go by the end of this Q1. Continuing on to X, we're going to see the post here that the timing all of this is all too perfect. I also did mention this before, so look here in the Theta Edge node, increasing this image, all the different type of jobs, and then the Theta Edge node, the elite booster for those who are hosting or are like staking 500,000 TFUEL. Going on to this next here, the conclusion is for Theta's vision. The immediate strategy is to partner and align with some of the largest cloud providers and become part of their extended architecture, making Theta indispensable to their business. So this whole cloud edge is very useful, especially with those who are trying to utilize this type of bandwidth network system and the quicker type of solutions for Web3. The reason why I'm mentioning this, because when you scroll down just a little bit, or I'll even go on to the next part right here, the Google has introduced Video Poet, and it's mind-blowing. It's literally Chat GPT for text to video, image to video, video editing. Here are the 10 jaw-dropping examples. And just going back to the previous, you'll do see that these two, we do know that the Theta Edge Cloud is incorporated or presented on around that Google Tech presentation that I hosted. I believe it was near January, maybe the end of 2023, but either way, you do see the Theta Edge Cloud and then you see Google Cloud. It's just kind of hard not to think that the two are incorporated with each other somehow. So you'll see the Video Poet, and then it's just reposted here on right here, seeing the timing of all of this, if that makes sense. But going down here, you'll see here the image to video. Scrolling down here, just all the examples, the text to video. You're going here, number 3, video editing, stylization. It says robot cat eating spaghetti, digital art, I guess is what it's trying to go at. A tree walking through the forest, tilt shift, a line typing on a keyboard, humans building a highway on Mars, cinematic, an original origami walking through the forest, a teddy bear in a leather jacket and sunglasses playing a guitar in front of a waterfall. And then that's a wrap. It looks like these are just some of the examples. I don't necessarily know if this is true in terms of all of these. It says Video Poet, so I'm assuming so because of that watermark that's listed in the videos, just to give a proof of evidence that this is from this actual project itself. I could be wrong. Definitely do your own research, guys, before investing. It's just some of the things that I'm trying to connect and it makes sense because of course I'm a Theta advocate, and I'm just trying to look forward to all the Theta businesses that are going to be connecting me to each other and seeing if it's going to come true. It seems like it. It's just my opinion. I could be wrong, of course. I'm just a guy on YouTube talking about things I'm finding on X, or formerly known as Twitter. So definitely be diligent and do your own research, guys. Continuing on with the news, seeing that Mitch posts, in addition to Theta Network, Edge Cloud 2024 will see advances in Theta Video API functionality, more subchains and TNT20 launches, and extension of T-drop and Web3 Theta functionality. More details in the roadmap blog below. This was posted on January 27th of 2024. This was the roadmap for 2024 of Theta Network. I did make a video on this, so if you haven't yet, check out the previous videos because I made X amount of videos like periodically throughout the week. I usually try to post 3 times a week unless there's some sort of thing going on in my life. Monday, Wednesday, Friday is when I'm posting, so if you want to check those out, and if you haven't yet, definitely subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for the adventure. So we'll see how this will all go. Like I said, everything is posted down below, all these links, so you can stay tuned or stay updated with me as I'm going throughout the video. Continuing on right here, going to Theta Network, Theta Web Wallet now includes native support for Theta Name Service, built by Theta Board team. learn how to use the TNS and claim your own wallet name here. So for those who don't want to use the code in those long codes and want to use a shortcut, I believe this is just a quick summary as to how you can do that. This is what this partnership is entailing. So for example, if I wanted to make my wallet with my name, I will use that, and then instead of using that code number, kind of depends on what you guys think. I guess it does help out improve ownership because you can only make one of each name, otherwise it's going to say it's taken. But then I kind of like the privacy with the numbers, but I guess it's a personal opinion on how you want to be trading. Kind of hard to say. I can see both ways and understand both ways. So it's more like a personal preference as to how you want to receive and send your tokens. So put your thoughts and comments on what you guys think about that. How you would prefer. Do you prefer the numbers that are currently given for the wallet address? Or would you like to change it so then it shows some sort of nickname, ownership, things like that? For me, I feel like it doesn't really matter, but I would prefer the numbers, like the original address, but that's just my own opinion. Continuing on, you'll even see the web wallet right here. That's what I just mentioned. The Theta web wallet adds support for the Theta name services. This was posted on February 14th of 2024. About a 5-minute read, but I believe it'll give you instructions on how to incorporate the two. But that's the overall gist of from what I'm understanding when what I'm able to read. Just don't want to bore you guys too much with this article because that's the quick summary of it. Let me see here. It kind of tells you a little bit of a background as to what the TNS system provides. But overall, that's what it is, the smart contract and how things will be programmed for Theta users in these Theta wallets. So that's the gist of it. Like I said, if you want to check out these links, they'll provide you guys the information that you probably want to hear and revisit in case you're just too curious, or if I just quickly glaze over them, just because in my opinion, I feel like I've explained it pretty well. But that's all. If you want to take a quick snapshot here, pause, you're more than welcome to, just for a little bit more of a background reason. Continuing on to what I have for you here, the Theta network, also the web wallet, just got a major upgrade. Now you can swap TFUEL and TNT20 tokens directly from your wallet via Theta Swap, as well as stake to the Theta ecosystem projects like Lavita, Pog, and Passways. You can access the Theta web wallet here. So increasing this image, here is the wallet token. So if you want to swap it, here it is. It's kind of cool because I did check that out. I did not know about this where you can stake directly. I didn't see this. Maybe I didn't look too much, but I do stake on their website for Lavita, but I haven't seen this on the web wallet. Maybe I just had to look a little bit better, but it looks like it's saying that it's on here. And it also says like Theta ecosystem projects like Lavita, Pog Digital, and the Passways. It looks like you can stake those other two projects as well. Like I said, I haven't staked any Pog. Passways I did on their websites, and Lavita I did on their website. So comment down below if you've staked from the Theta web wallet, just to see if people are actually utilizing this upgrade. And last but not least, of course, is going to end on a fun note. Right here, you'll even see that genuine post. Not sure, I do see it on the mobile as well. Do you see it on there too in terms of the Theta Edge Cloud, the Theta network? So it's nice seeing this continued advertisement on the Golden Las Vegas Knights, the winners of the Stanley Cup of 2023, I believe. So it's nice seeing that continued advertisement and utilization, especially IRL in real life at the stadium. But it's nice seeing the continued growth for Theta. The name is being thrown out there, not just from my channel, but in other corporations and businesses and just industries altogether. But that is all I really have for today's video. Thank you so much if you're an OG viewer and subscriber and coming back to the channel. I would not be here without you guys. If you're a new viewer trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video. In addition to my Theta Guardian node, if you want to stake your Theta tokens, as well as my Elite Edge node, if you want to stake your TFUEL. Either way, like I said earlier, helps out my channel, helps out the Theta ecosystem, but overall helps yourselves earn TFUEL if you want to utilize it for any other kind of NFT drops, any kind of transactions, things like that. Overall, just helps out everybody with the ecosystem, and really looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video. But until the next Theta update, until the next Theta video, it is your boy Justin Passetti, so try to keep up. Hi, deuces.